Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today I'm gonna make a mini banana portrait. We're gonna make one of these. Yay! I'm very excited about this project, and this is gonna be part one of a bigger photography project. And what we're gonna be making on this part one is going to be a miniature banana portrait. Yes, I'm gonna take a photo of a banana and put it in a frame. Yay! Let's start. What we're gonna be doing first of all is create the frame, and I have got this amazing, really lovely silicone mold, and it's a very ornate frame because what I would like to achieve is like an antique sort of shabby chic effect. So we're going to be using plaster of Paris. There it is. And I've got these two little silicone jugs, and it's going to be 2 parts plaster of Paris and 1 part water. And then I've got a bigger silicone jug where to mix it all. So let's get on with it. Let's make the frame, and then we take the photo. Now that the mold has been filled in, we're going to wait for that to dry. And whilst we're waiting for that to dry, what we're going to do, we're going to get our banana ready. Our banana ready for the photo shoot. So what I have is a banana. I need 2 bits of card. I need some moustache. I've got a razor moustache. Oh, I wonder if you can see it. They're so cool. So cool. And I've got some pins to keep some of the parts in place. A knife, a ruler. Gonna be using 2 kebab sticks. And I've got some purple ribbon and my trusted glue gun. Let's get the banana ready. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna be making the shape of a tie. And I've got these little bits of paper, which is about 5 centimeters wide. The height doesn't really matter, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna fold it in half, and then we're gonna draw a half of a tie. So it's sort of all triangular. So I'm gonna do this. Not too big, but big enough. You can always trim it if it's too big, or do it again if it's too small. And then we're gonna be cutting around the shape. And we made the tie. What we're going to do next, we're gonna cut a little bit of ribbon. I've chosen this purple one, which I love the color, and it's so shiny, and also it's going to be a lovely contrast against the yellow of the banana. Look at that! Oh, amazing. So let's report this onto the ribbon. Okay, there we go. That is our tie. And there we go, that's our tie. And we also need to cut a strip in here, not too long. This is gonna be the top of our tie. So there we go, we got these 2 bits cut together. Next we're gonna cut a strip on a white piece of paper. Whilst that one for the cravat, well, for the tie, it didn't matter what color it was, but for this one, what we're gonna do, we're gonna make the collar, and it's going to be 3 centimeters. There we go. We need to make sure that is long enough to wrap around. Don't worry if it's too long, because we can always cut it, and we're gonna put a dash of glue gun. But before we put it on the banana, we need to fold this in half. Let's try to be as precise as possible. And then we're going to cut. Okay, this is the middle. We are going to cut the middle bit. Be careful, only on one side, not on both of them. And then we're gonna fold the 2 flaps back like that. Ta-da! And we're gonna open it up again. And there we go, we've got our tie. Now we need to get the banana ready. So what we're going to do, we're going to make it look as if it's got arms. Gonna make it look as if it's standing like that. So, and we're going to be using the knife, and we're going to be cutting around. The height, I think, is going to be, there is going to be perfect. So I'm going to mark. So it's going to be there, 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 and there. As we're going to be cutting these side of the banana and then fold them down. So let's follow the natural lines of the banana. And 1. By the way, you got to be so quick. When you cut it, you need to sort out the banana and take the photo straight away, because otherwise the banana goes black. And we do it the same on the other side. And here it is. Okay. Now, let's get our banana coming back to life. And I'm gonna fold the arms of the banana. And I'm gonna pin it just there. I'm trying to put them at the same height. And then we just put the tie on the banana, making sure that is bang on in the middle at the front. And we're going to be putting a pin right at the back in the middle. Yeah, that will do. Just there. So you need quite long pin. If you don't have rubber moustache, you can use anything else and just glue it. It's only the skin of the banana. We're ready for the photo shoot. Oh, have a look at that. Oh, that is a perfect position. It's Mr. Banana. Mr. Banana. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use these to prop it up and to just make sure that it stands up. Obviously they're going to be cut because it's not going to be that tall. The banana is now ready. Let's check how the frame is doing so we can get that ready for the photo shoot. And the photo shoot is over. And Mr. Banana, I think he looked dapper. He looked the part. Look at him. So glorious. So now what we've got to do, we've got to edit the photo a little bit just to adjust the colors. And there's an amazing app which is called Snapseed, which when I take photos on my phone, usually that's what I do to do all the editing. But before that, there was a little bit of glue there. And there's another app which is amazing and it's called Touch Retouch. Oh, it works brilliantly. So I'm going to get rid of that on the photo. So I've got a really nice, sharp, clean photo. But let me show you what I do and how I do it. Once the photo is ready, I will be using one of my favorite gadgets. And it's my little sprocket. My husband calls it the printing soap bar, which is, it's not wrong, is it? It does look like a soap bar, but it's a really cool bit of kit. And the paper inside, it's sticky. So you print it and you stick it wherever you like. And it's amazing. So let me show you how I process the photos. Then we're going to print it and we're going to be putting it in the frame and finish off the frame, obviously. Let's have a look. So there we go, I've exported the photo onto Touch Retouch, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom in and I want to get rid of this. And voila, and all is done. And now I've saved a copy of the photo, which I'm really happy about. And now I'm going to put it into Snapseed. I think I'm happy with that photo. So what I can do, I print it in the sprocket. And here it is. Oh, can you see it? I'm so happy with that. Oh, now we've done the photo shoot. We've got our photo and the frame is nice and dry. So all we need to do now is sort out the frame. I think it came out a treat. There were a few bubbles, but it's so ornate that it doesn't really matter. And for how I want to do it, I want to make it antique. So it's all good. I've got a little bit of gold acrylic paint. I'm gonna put it on there and very gently and with the sponge, I'm gonna rub it all around the edges. The sponge needs to be pretty dry. So let's do it. Let's do this. I'm very happy with this. Look at that. These are all adhesive. So there we go. Oh my God, this is exciting. Ta-da! Oh, I'm very pleased with that. Oh, it looks really good. And that's it. So this is the end of part 1 of the project. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, why not give us the thumbs up, and why not subscribe so you can get the notifications on when part 2 is going to be out, because this is not the end of it. This is just one side of what I would like to achieve, what I would like to do. So thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.